Hey guys, so it is Saturday, so yeah, I think I'm gonna make this a new vlog depending on what today is. So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, hey, I'm Shike. I do vlogs, lifestyle, beauty videos. So if you're interested, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, click that bell so you're notified whenever I make a video. So guys, it is Saturday and we just came from feeding the pigs, and so, but because I showed you guys that from like last vlog, I'm like, do I need to show you guys that today? No. So today we want to have like a little productive day. I have quite a few things to do, so let me just pop you guys right there so I can like tell you guys what I have to do. So since we're going out tomorrow, I have like preparation to do, so we're gonna do that today. So I have to iron, so we're gonna prep up our to-do list right here. So we have to iron, we have to get my clothes and shoes and jewelry. I need to pack my bag for tomorrow, both my handbag and like just a carry-on bag that's gonna like carry my sorry, my sinus draining. That's gonna carry like my, you know, extra snacks, little food snacks, you know, there's something there. Yeah, because my bag is pretty small, my handbag pretty small. So yeah, so I need to get those ready. I need to get my jewelry ready. I also have like lesson plans to do, and when I mean that I need to iron, I have like clothes for work plus the clothes for tomorrow. So this is pretty much gonna be like a little productive vlog. So yeah, I'm pretty excited for this vlog, guys. This week and like extended week thing, I'm thriving with vlogs for this time, so y'all can't come at me. So we're gonna start off today with breakfast.
Ooh, Custy.
Hi Shan.
Hi.
Yeah, Missa, something to carry them for you.
This one.
I think it's the same. I don't know, I don't eat them.
Sorry.
So not disagreeing on my vlog. I thought, well, I'm sorry, well, the person you're trying to reach is currently unavailable. Anyways, so we're going to start off with making breakfast. Today we're making omelets, and I made some banana pancakes yesterday, so I'll be eating the rest of those. Hey, can't finish my hat.
We do look like twins.
That's good.
That's suspicious.
That's sweet. Anyway, so yeah, we have all those to do. So we're gonna get this
banana bread. Look how much banana I spoil.
I don't have a time right now. I'm not in a mood for that today. Anyways, so we're gonna make breakfast, and then I'll get back at you when breakfast is done.
Where's shaving your knee there?
guys, not us planning on our nice, we call this productive day. JPS take the lights. Anyways, just a breeze out a little bit.
JPS cut off the light. Now no water in the pipe.
Hey guys, so I just came in. I did start my lesson plan this morning, but right now the light gone. So I'm just gonna turn off the laptop right now because it's pretty much almost dead anyways. And just get my room tidy. I'm gonna tidy up my room and then get the things together. I'm gonna try and do like all of the things that don't need the electricity. About me doing now, about me. Plan out my day so well. And then this happens. So yes, I'm gonna get that done right now. Alright, so most of my things are out. I have my slippers. I can only use. I need a socks. I need my yellow sock. It's not there. Like, where is my yellow sock? Alright, I found it. So the yellow socks, I go wearing the shoes, and the charger I carry. It's supposed to go in the back of this. My AirPods, my power bank. I'm carrying the smallest one because this is the bag, people, and it's very small. So yeah. Hi guys, so light is back. So I got up as me let me get up for use my laptop to charge my phone and let me power bank, and I got up and saw that light come back. So I just rushed and went and ironed our clothes for tomorrow. Now I took out some clothes for the week. I'm just gonna iron that and then get my lesson plans done. If light is still here by then, but yeah. I think we need to add one here, so yeah. And see my earpod up already. Alright guys, so I finished ironing for the week. So I have my 5 suits for the week. So yeah. So yes, right now oh yes, I'm gonna get the lesson plans done that I need to do. Yeah. Hey guys, so we are at National Arena. We're here for Assembly, JBU Assembly. So just bring you guys along. So we just kind of reach and try to go in. We got Toby here for her first time. We got Shan. So yeah, this is what the place is looking like. I'll show you guys the outfit like later. But yeah. But we have come back in selfishness and pride.
Baby. the Lord God took the man and put him in the Garden of Eden to work it and take care of it. And the Lord God commanded the man, you are free to eat from any tree in the garden, but you must not eat from the tree of the knowledge of good and evil.
In the heart of everybody. Let the fire of burning devotion steer us into action. Shake us, we beg you, out of slumber. Shake us, we beg you, out of complacency, and revive your church again.
What are we?
We're waiting on our food, eh? You can imagine.
We never cook.
We weren't told that we were going to do picnic underneath the tree. So we did not even carry anything to picnic.
Listen. No little picnic in nothing, eh?